Hello, my name is Semlina Alam, and this is my video about my Congressional App Challenge app called Homebase. So what's Homebase? Homebase is a progressive web app, or PWA, that allows users to find mental health practices based on particular emotions. How does Homebase work? There are two basic steps. First, the user clicks on the button that best corresponds to the emotion the user is feeling. Then, a page will load for the user, containing information and mental health practices that the user can try, including interactive text fields and breathing circles. Homebase can be used by the general public, but when I first thought of the idea of Homebase, I originally thought of teens my age who struggle to find mental health practices that are easy and quick to include in their day to day lives. Tools and coding languages. The programming languages I used include HTML and CSS for structure and styling, JavaScript for including the service worker that enables the PWA and interactive breathing circle, and JSON to create a manifest.json file that also enables my website to become a PWA. Now for my demonstration. When the user loads my web page, the user has the option of simply viewing it from the browser or downloading it as a PWA app. Note that the website itself is viewable on all kinds of devices. After the user has downloaded or can see the website, the user can click Enter to see the landing page. On the landing page, the user will see 6 emotion buttons and a home button to go back to the welcome page. Below is a disclaimer where I also linked mental health resources that the user can call in case of an emergency. When I click on the Happy button, I can find 3 easy to implement examples of what I can do when I'm happy. When I click on the Sad button, I can find an input text field where I can type why I'm sad. I can see 2 more mental health practices, including belly breaths, which uses the breathing circle. For all breathing techniques, I added research instructions and linked articles for additional info. When I click on the breathing circle button, I can select up to 7 breaths to follow along, and the circle will expand and shrink. When I click on the Angry button, I see another similar page, along with a text field to type anger triggers and more instructions on different breathing techniques. When I click on the Bored button, I find 4 mental health practices for the current feeling, and when I click on the Nervous/Scared button, I find input text fields for the 5-4-3-2-1 method, where the user can type their observations as the user follows along with the activity. Below the 5-4-3-2-1 method, there's another breathing circle for the 4-7-8 method, with the same layout and design, but different time configurations. When I click on the Embarrass button, the user can see example positive affirmations to live by, as well as 2 steps into recovering from embarrassment. I also added the 4-4-4 breathing method as another breathing technique the user can try. Note that the 4-4-4 and belly breaths breathing circles use the same configuration, and the 4-7-8 breathing circle uses different time configurations. That's it, and thanks for watching.